Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Architect Reshma here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a mood board using PowerPoint. So let's get started. So the first thing that you got to do is create your own template. So as you all know, what is a mood board, right? So it's a collection of your ideas or some thought process. I don't know what you want to portray to your client. So basically you need to arrange your template. So consider what elements you wanted in your mood boards. For example, the main image, then furniture, the rug, plants, things, lights, material, texture, books, clocks. It can be anything. Okay, so this template is your choice. And then what I have did just from Pinterest and Google, I have captured some images here to save up some time, and then I'll help you to do this. Okay, so now we are going to duplicate the slide, because if there is any error we're going to skip it up. So I'm eliminating this for now. Now this is your main image. Let's size your main image, and then the bottom space is where I want to put in my let's say the color scheme. So as you could see, this is gray, white, and then the green of a thing. And now I have this is prepared for a mood board for a living room. So and then now I think I can have my curtains little bit extra, and then this has a shade of brown. You gotta go to your picture tool and then click on corrections and choose for gray, whatever color you feel. Match the color that matches your main image. So that's how you do this. And then I have the cushion, so I'll make it a little bigger and bring it front, and I'll teach you how to do this. So this image, click on remove background and the area gets highlighted. So mark areas to keep. So this area I want, this area you want. So try to have these areas when you're about to delete it. Okay, and now the area has been selected, so mark areas to remove and then click on keep changes. So as you could see, I can overlay the cushion on this. Can you see this? So I am able to overlay on top of my image. So somewhere here randomly I could place, and then I am using some set of scenery to depict the green weightage, and then I have added up light similarly by removing the background. I am trying to add those lights, and I have thought for a framework that I need to place here. So this takes up space. Again, bring the log to the front, and then I want to do the same thing, remove my background, and the entire structure gets eliminated, and then you can change to whatever shape you want. I want it to look like as if there is no table or things like that. And then I have a candle here. So now I'm going to crop this to this shape that I want. So I'm going to crop it to a circle so that it looks like it. And similarly, there is a book here. I'm going to crop this also to this shape. You can change it to whatever shape you want. And I think I'm gonna, okay, let's overlay this. Okay. Can you see this? This is how beautiful it looks. Without Photoshop, I think this is the best way that you could do your mood board. Okay, now what we are going to do is you can okay, I'm looking for some more images. So I think if I have any collections, Yeah, I have made a concrete wall, so I'm gonna bring that also here, similarly to shaping up to whatever thing. Now this can be cropped to its shape. And now the last final step is that you're going to create certain shapes. Okay, this is your choice. Now I am creating this. Now what you do is go to the shape format, you remove the outline, and then you got a shape fill. Pick up the eyedropper from these images of whatever you have. So let's get started with the darker gray. Yes, copy paste, and you create the same thing. And again you got to go to the eyedropper and choose some other color, and then again some other color. So this is all completely your choice. Okay, yes, eyedropper, and then I'm going to choose this. Okay, let's go with the brown. And this is how you create your own color scheme of the mood board. So I'm going to first position it properly. Okay, so click on this and click on the eyedropper and choose a little bit darker brown, or and then you can click on the same and repeat it to whatever shape eyedroppers you have. Okay, copy paste and repeat it how many ever times you want, and then again continue to do the same step. So this will give you an overlay of whatever colors you have used in your whole panel. And that's it. That's how you do your color palette. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Thank you.